Here we are. Choose the name of the webcam background of your choice. Oh, blocks. That sounds nice. I'm going to redeem blocks. Finally, something worth spending my channel points on. Is there a channel point name called water? Oh, yes there is. Well, that's pretty exciting. But what if I can't decide? I don't know what a triangle is. I'm not a genius. Random sounds like a cool option. Oh, nice. It's given me a random option. Now let's talk about how it works. First, you're going to need a folder full of files. These files are going to be the files that make up your background. So whether they're videos or images, you're going to want a few of them. Bear in mind on the actual redemption here, there's a limit to what you can write. So you're going to need your files, and you're going to need them all to be in one folder. They have to be in the same folder, and they have to be the same file type. Those are the two important requirements. Whether you're using videos or images, it's all got to be the same. Now what you need to do is get them into OBS. Now, this is how many sources we have in OBS. This is the nested scene, which is my camera scene that you're seeing currently here I am. Hello. Brio, that is the camera source with the chroma key to get rid of that green screen and turn it into whatever we fancy. And then these two files here, BlackBG and RandoBG, this is what you're going to be creating. You can call them whatever you like, but you just need to make sure what you call them is going to be the same in the code. So this is the code you're using. SetSourceSettings sourceName, and then sourceName, where it's bold here, that's where you're going to type in the name of your source. Our source is BlackBG. You're then going to write sourceSettings, your file format. You write in the path. This is the path in my computer. This is the folder. This is the important thing here. This here, user.message.word, open parenthesis 0, closed parenthesis. This is the secret weapon, because when somebody redeems choose background, Twitch is going to ask them to type in a word, as we've seen. And when they type in that word in this box, say wires for example, if I could type wires, it's going to create that very background. And that's as simple as it is. So that's all you have to do. It's word 0, not word 1. You could just use user message, but your users might write something more. So the advantage with word 0 is it takes that first word they've put in. But say somebody did waves, hello, love your stream cute jacket XOX. It still works, it still picks up waves. It's not changing the file name to hello love your stream cute jacket XOX. Now you'll notice that I've got two currently collapsed files here, and I've got a second source. This is for the random. Now setting up the random is very simple. So first of all, you're going to need to have a text file with all of the names of your redemptions. So ours is called black.txt. I've named it the same as the folder that the videos are in, because there we are. Those are all of the names of the scenes so that the random can pull up. One line per file. Basically, each of your file names needs to be in there that you want to appear on the randomizer. Your settings for Biku are going to be to read a random line. Then you're going to need to add one more thing, which is another advanced OBS control. The best thing to do is copy and paste what you've written above here, which is the original set source settings, and then where you've got the parameter for user message, you're just going to instead replace it with the input parameter. So that's what we've got here, and that will add whatever is in that file up there, and that will make it random. Random. I've redeemed random. It's brushes. Redeem another random video. Maybe it'll be one less obnoxious than brush. It's scribbles. Random. Our random background is below that scene above. So what you need to do is add to it a file that is named random. And this is very important. As you can see in the preview, it is completely grey. That isn't because there's no file there. That's because the file that is there is transparent. So when somebody redeems random, this user message is replaced with random.mov. So in your sources here, that file, although it's still visible in OBS, is playing a transparent layer, and you're seeing through it to the video behind, which is playing a random video as chosen by the text file reader. As a bonus, you've got your channel point redemption working. but something goes wrong. Set up the command. It's exactly the same, except we've added permissions up here. Mine is set to broadcaster and moderator. You could add specific users if you wanted. The one difference between this and the channel point redemption is in the first OBS control. At the end of the path, we have the parameter for Biku to read, which is user.message.word. And in channel points, it was word 0. However, in the actual chat redemption, it needs to be word 1. South and do it. If you have something like a Stream Deck, you could actually set up a button like this and just have it automatically post in chat. BikuBot has got so much potential. The link to the Patreon will be in the description. It's currently £5 a month or $6.50, I believe, if you're in America, to join the alpha. Absolutely worth it if you're a streamer. If you're streaming and you're an affiliate, it's worth it. I mean, it's basically a Twitch sub a month. If you're willing to sub to someone on Twitch because you enjoy their stuff, join this and make that stuff. Yeah. So if this has been helpful to you, please do let me know. If you're interested in Biku, just join, just do it, just bite the bullet, get in there. And if you want to see more stuff from me, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. I might post another video one day, you never know. Or you can join me on Twitch, where I stream currently 5 days a week. We stream every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then we stream Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday.